We are here today on behalf of my daughter, Jayden Faith, and of the thousands of families that have suffered catastrophic injuries or death as the result of a preventable seatback failure. On Thanksgiving 2016, Thanksgiving Day, Jay-Fay was nearly killed in a rear-end collision as our family drove home from feeding the homeless. As a result of the crash, this one-time champion athlete, national level dancer, and thespian suffered significant traumatic and life-altering injuries.
To know that the vehicle seatback performed exactly as it was designed to, and within the limits of the current law, is just hugely disturbing. I believe everybody in a vehicle deserves equal right to life, and I would think that most parents would think the same.
We are so glad that the House of Representatives included a mandate to the Department of Transportation to modernize the seatback safety standard in the INVEST Act. We are hopeful that the Senate will act quickly to finish what the House has started to help spare even one more family from suffering what my family and too many others like ours have had to suffer. We're grateful that today Jay-Fay is rehabilitating. However, this has thrown our family into a complete chaotic loop since it happened, and we hope that we can be some small part of fixing this for the future. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, everybody.